guys, Donna Silva here, and I'd like to welcome you to one of KB's newest subdivisions, Highgrove at Fairview. Let's take a tour. Located at 2011 Peony Street, Highgrove at Fairview has something for everyone. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, move-up buyer, or an investor looking for a great opportunity, you'll want to take a look at this beautiful subdivision. With 7 floor plans ranging from 1472 square feet to 2518 square feet with both 1- and 2-story options, this community is already generating a lot of interest. Plus, there's even more move-in ready homes available. Want to know one of the biggest perks of Highgrove at Fairview? No HOA fees. That means more flexibility without an extra monthly cost. These homes are also energy efficient, with KB Home being recognized in the top 2% of green home builders nationwide. Each home comes with solar panels, which you can either purchase or lease, giving you options for long-term savings. The first thing you'll notice is the open concept design, making the main living areas feel spacious and connected. KB Home offers modern kitchens with standard granite countertops, energy-efficient appliances, and sleek cabinetry. And if you'd like to customize your space, you'll love that buyers can personalize their home through KB's Design Studio, picking finishes and upgrades that fit your style, like quartz countertops and so much more. The primary suites are spacious, featuring walk-in closets and spa-like bathrooms. The secondary rooms are a little more modest in size, making them ideal for guest rooms, kids' rooms, or even a home office. Another highlight, lot sizes. Here, the average lot size is around 6,000 square feet. But for those who want less yard maintenance, there are smaller lot options available as well. Now let's talk about who these homes are perfect for. First up, we have first-time home buyers. With various price points and energy-efficient features, these homes make a fantastic entry into home ownership. Next, we have move-up buyers. If you're looking for more space, a larger lot, or a newer home, you'll find plenty of options here. And lastly, for our investors. With Hollister's growing demand for housing, a brand new KB home could be a great addition to your rental portfolio. If you're thinking about financing, here's something to consider. If you work with KB Home's in-house lender, you can qualify for closing cost incentives, making your purchase even more affordable. When it comes to touring the homes, no appointment is needed. You can stop by anytime. But if you prefer a more one-on-one experience, scheduling a visit is a great option. The KB Home sales agents are friendly, knowledgeable, and ready to help. For buyers who are already working with a real estate agent, Great news. KB Home is very agent friendly, encouraging you to bring your agent on your very first visit so they can help guide you through the process. So what do you think of Highgrove at Fairview? If you'd like to tour available homes or get more details, reach out to me anytime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future Hollister home tours. See you in the next one. I'm Donna Silva, where expertise meets excellence.